Hi children, good morning. Welcome back to our session. What's our topic is going on? Light. Nowadays it's very cloudy. We cannot see that much bright light. Is it? Yes. So let me see. What do you... today's our topic is about regular and diffused reflection. Regular and diffused reflection. Here we can see what do you mean by the regular reflection and what do you mean by the diffused. Diffused is nothing but irregular reflection. Let me start. Yes, come. When all the parallel rays reflected from a rough means it won't be the smooth place. Example, if you take a mirror, it will be very smooth one. But if you take a duster or a table or any other thing, it won't be the smooth. That is called as the rough or irregular surface or not parallel. The reflection is known as diffused or irregular reflection. What do you mean by irregular reflection, children? When all the parallel rays, parallel means it is falling straight, is it? That parallel means it doesn't meet each other. So, the parallel rays reflected from a rough or irregular surface or not parallel, the reflection is known as the irregular reflection or the diffused reflection. Here, through the picture we can see. See here, like the curve, that means it is not the smooth one when the light is passing. So, parallel. If it is parallel like this, where the reflected one we can see? No, we cannot see the regular. Maybe it goes like this or maybe it goes like this. So, that is known as the irregular reflection. We cannot see the proper reflection. So, this reflection only we call it as the irregular reflection or the diffused one. And next, the reflection from a smooth surface. Example, we have to take it as a mirror. Is it? Yes. So smooth surface like that of a mirror is called as the regular reflection. So in this you can see we have taken the regular reflection. For the example, it's the mirror. Then the parallel rays are falling. So this is the parallel rays. So these rays are called the parallel rays which is falling on the mirror. Then how the reflection takes place. So if it is like this, it is going like this. For this ray, it is reflected. For this ray, it is reflected. For this ray, it is reflected. We can see the normal, proper, reflected rays. So, this is called as the regular reflection.
Now know that light falling on an object is reflected. Reflection from a smooth surface like that of a mirror is called regular reflection. Reflection of light from the water surface and highly polished floors are also examples of irregular reflections. Images are formed by the regular reflection of light. Diffused or irregular reflection takes place when a ray of light is incident on a surface such as wall or wood, which is not smooth or polished. An image is not formed in this case. In this case, the different portions of the surface reflect the incident light in different directions. The light sent to our eyes by most of the objects we see around us is due to the diffused reflection from their surfaces.
Reflected light can be reflected again. Once it is reflected, once again it will be reflected. Yes, children, it's true. Reflected light, once again it can be reflected. Because the light can be reflected until it loses its all energy. When the light is going to lose its energy? No. So, once again, not only the reflected ray, once again we can reflect it. Is it? So, where we can see that one? If you go for any gold shop, one mirror will be. So, if you stand there, total all the mirrors, we can see there. Is it? So many images we can see. And if you go for the salon shop, we can see that reflected images once again we can take the reflection. Then, what do you mean by the multiple images? Multiples. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. We will be going on telling. That means it is going to rise up. It is becoming more and more and more. For example, take the 2 mirrors, children, like this. Okay, so for this you have to keep the angle like this. If you take the 2 mirrors, it should be joined like this, and you have to place any one of the object in front of the mirrors. So observe that you can see the different, that means many images through that. That is nothing but the multiple images. So for this I can show you a clip for you how we can see the multiple images. Okay. So by this let me end up the session. Tomorrow let me meet with the new topic. Okay. Bye. Here is the example. So we can see the barber shop mirrors. So we are able to see the back of the head with the help of 2 mirrors. The light is reflected from our hair on the small mirror. This light is automatically reflected to main mirror. So we are able to see the back of our head. Multiple reflection when 2 mirrors are placed inside by side. If 2 mirrors are placed close to each other, it produces multiple reflections. Wow, see here children. So here the 2 mirrors are placed but the object is only 1. So how many images we can see in this? Is it? So these are called as the multiple reflections. You also can do this one children. It's looking very nice. Is it?